So today I'm going to talk about the Salda Smarty 3X heat recovery unit. This unit is fully passive house approved and is suitable for installation in a wide range of apartments and homes. The unit itself can accommodate work with a home up to a maximum size of roughly 240 square metres. It also has a Class A energy efficiency rating, which makes it one of the cheapest units out there to run when it comes to electricity. A lot of people get the misconception that these machines are expensive to run. They're not. Class A rating basically proves that. They're quite energy efficient. The units use EC fans, and that's why they have such a good energy efficiency rating. Another feature of the unit is its high efficiency counterflow heat exchanger. A heat exchanger is basically a device within the unit that takes the heat out of the outgoing airstream and uses it to preheat the incoming airstream. Now, heat recovery units work on the basis of splitting a home up into two, and effectively by that I don't mean ground and first floor, but wet and dry rooms. And we take the air, extract the air away from the wet rooms through a ducting system. For example, our quiet vent radial ducting system, which uses 75mm ducting, which comes on a 50-metre roll. That can work its way through to the machine, and from there, as it just passes through the machine, it goes through the heat exchanger. The incoming air from outside comes in through a filtration system, takes out micron particles of dust, and as it's passing through the heat exchanger, so you've got one air current going out, one air current coming in, we transfer roughly 90% of the heat from one outgoing air current to the incoming. In layman's terms, it roughly means that if the house is set for 20 degrees, we'll preheat the incoming airstream to roughly 18 degrees, or 90% of the outgoing air temperature. That preheated air then gets dropped into your dry rooms, that's bedrooms, lounge, dining room, that type of thing, and that gives you the flow or circulation that we're looking for within a dwelling, and makes things very pleasant for those within the home. On the filtration side, the machine comes standard with what we call G4 filters, which are again a good high quality filter, but you can go for an F7 type of filter. That's particularly advantageous for people who have respiratory conditions or suffer badly from, say, hay fever, where they want to take out particles of pollen, that type of thing. That's a feature and an option that the machine has as well. Another one is it has a smart and very user-friendly digital control system. The controls can be set up by the homeowner to any configuration that they want. But the machine's got a very smart and very user-friendly digital controller that allows you to, at all stages, monitor what the machine's doing, and if you require, set a function up to your individual preference. The machine's got a very high quality construction using both a thermal and acoustic EPP body and with a metal outer casing.